Instagram's new update lets you post to Instagram a lot easier. So I wanted to update this video to show you how to post on Instagram. If you're new to Instagram or if you've been using it for years, you're still gonna find this really useful because this update lets you post to every part of Instagram from the same place. Instagram is more like 5 different apps. In the course of updating the Instagram app for the last 10 years, they've added new features that are basically a whole app inside of Instagram. So that's why this all-in-one place lets you post to all of those different places all at once. Instagram was released in 2010, and Instagram feed, what you see here, photos and videos, was the original Instagram for almost 6 years. So to post to the feed, you just press the plus sign here and got access to your library, or you could take photos and videos using your camera phone. But then later on, they introduced Instagram Stories in 2016 as a way to compete with Snapchat. And to post on Instagram Stories, all you had to do was press your profile picture here, and it took you inside of Stories where you could go ahead and either record or take a photo here. And then when you were all set, you could decorate it from all the options on top and press your story to post it. Then came Instagram Story Highlights in 2017. Those Instagram story posts only lasted 24 hours and then they disappeared forever. So there was a way to make them more permanent on your profile that's called Story Highlights, and it's right here in the middle. So if I press new here, I could create story highlights from previously posted stories. So after they disappeared, they still get archived here just to me, and then I could go ahead and choose them and show them for a long time here as a story highlight here on my page, so people could jump in and see them that way. And then in 2018, Instagram had a big update with IGTV, a way to compete with YouTube with longer form videos, 1 to 15 minutes long. And to get it to that, you had to press the search option here and click on IGTV here, and then create yourself an IGTV channel by pressing the plus sign and uploading videos that way to IGTV from your videos. Again, they had to be at least a minute long. They couldn't actually be less. And then in 2020, Instagram released Instagram Reels, a way to compete with TikTok, again with short format videos in vertical form. And to get to that, you still had to go to Instagram Stories here, and down below you had to go to Instagram Reels. And then you could post from here. And Instagram also has Instagram Live, again inside of Stories, where you could go live with video. They also have direct messages where you could send and receive direct messages, photos, and have group chats and video chats. So a lot of different things inside of the app. But this new update lets you just press one thing to post on all the 5 different things I just mentioned. Go to your profile here and press the plus sign on top. If you don't see it, update your Instagram app. It should be released to all profiles. And with this, you could go to Instagram Post, Instagram Stories, Story Highlights, IGTV, and Reels. So to post on Instagram Feed, I'm just gonna press Feed Post. I could shrink this down here or choose from any number of things in my library. I could also get access to my camera here and take a picture if I wanted to post that way, or press Video and press and hold right here to record a video and post a video. I'm gonna press Cancel here. Let me go back to library. I'll choose one of these thumbnails, press next, and then I could always add filters to different things on this page. I'll press next one more time, and then I could go ahead and write a caption and share it right to my profile right here. So it was that simple to post it on your Instagram feed. And if I press share, you could see it. If I go back to my profile and refresh, you could see that post appearing in the feed. This is the feed section. To post on Instagram Story, again, I could press the plus sign, click Story, and it will jump into my story here where I could take a picture just by pressing right there, or I could press and hold to take a video. And again, they could be up to 15 seconds inside of Story. I'll press X. You also have some tools here on the left side that you could use. I have a whole different video about each one of these in more detail, so I'm not gonna spend too much time. I just really wanted to show you this new update here. I'll press X. Then you have Story Highlights. If you press that, it's gonna show you all the different older posts that you've created for Instagram Story, and you could select them and basically make them permanent on your profile as long as you like. Then you have IGTV. Again, I press plus, go to IGTV, and this requires videos that are longer than a minute. I currently don't have any under my videos tab, but if you did, they will appear here. Right now I can't select anything because nothing is longer than a minute I'll press plus one more time, go to Reels this time, and Reels basically lets me record videos right here. Again, if I select this right here and hold, it's recording video, and I have up to 15 seconds to record that video. I could also press the picture icon here to upload videos from camera library. And again, I have a full video on making videos with Instagram Reels on this channel. And that is the new improved way to post on Instagram, all from one place. Thanks so much for watching this video. I make easy to follow videos like this on Instagram, other social media platforms, and tech on this channel every single day, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks so much for watching again.